How to fix Viber voice problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Viber voice problem on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll until you find apps, click on it and then click apps again, and here we'll find Viber, click on it, and now click permissions, and here we'll find microphone. You will find it like that. All you need to do, just click on it and click allow, and then that's it. Just go back and restart your phone and try again. Click restart, this one restart, and that's it. Now just try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.